On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, what one a blessed and wonderful Sunday afternoon to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side each and every day. We have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator for the preservation of life, because life is indeed the greatest. And to all of the regular ones and ones them out there who have already traversed the church, or even if you're still in church, please hope and pray so now continuously pray for you On The Spot News Media and the rest of Jamaica, especially those who are grieving the loss of a loved one due to the hands of the criminal elements who continues to wreak havoc right across the length and breadth of Jamaica. And also to the regular ones and ones them enjoying them Sunday din. You don't know the official Red Rice and Rooster Day is today. So just go and kick back, enjoy, and give thanks for life. And also ask the Almighty Creator for His continuous guidance and blessings over our lives. Now that the morning, my peeps, we're going to kick it off with an update. Update from yesterday's story where I made mention of this criminal element presently on your screen, identified as Tushan Walker, otherwise known as TJ, said to have been taken out by criminal elements along Barbican Road Wednesday afternoon. Now this criminal element here is most definitely a known and reputed Nakis and Clappis. For those who knows of him and for those who remember some of the crimes he committed, to include a knockings and clappings that took place sometime around 2 years ago in the Sandy Park community, where a party was in full swing and multiple people get caught up, and two of which that get caught up lost their lives. Now the criminal element who carried out that brutal onslaught alongside others was none other than the Nakis and Clappis, where them come dirt Wednesday. Now he has been doing way too much, and his time simply came. His family members had to move from the areas. His friends are now wondering who is next. But that is the life that he chose to live, and he suffered the consequences and paid the ultimate price with his life. It is about just little under a month ago, one of his cousins and his friend have to run for them dear life because enemies run them down for gun them down. His auntie have to lift up out of the place because she don't want them come take for her 3 points too. So over and over again, I say this, and I speak to persons who are related to these criminal elements, especially the ones who are closely related, like an aunt, an uncle, a mother, a father, a sister, a brother. You people also have a duty, not just to the community and the country, but to yourself. Remember that self-preservation is first. You people need to either sit down on your family members, steer them away from the dirty criminal lifestyle, or speak out against them to the authorities, because it's either them or uno. So uno have to choose who uno love the most. My granny always tell me, say, of all my mother's children, I love myself the most. So now his family members are definitely not in a good place. Not only because him lose him 3 points, but them a wonder if the criminal elements are going to strike on them also. Because them know say film criminal friend them are going to want to retaliate. And the ongoing bloodletting will only continue. So now I'm pleading to the authorities of the St. Andrews Central Police Division with responsibility for that area to send some police, joint police military operation type of settings in the place, because residents are now very fearful of the repercussions to come. So in a way, make we continue. Now we're going to head on over there in the troubled, war-torn, crime-riddled St. James Police Division, where we're going to just speak on certain issues that has been plaguing not just Mobays, but surrounding parishes because of what is happening in St. James. We all know that everything we want to see go on in a Western Jamaica is basically stemming, is piggybacking off the whole scamming lifestyle. And that really propel into everything we want to see go on. No matter how much different branches you see it gone into, when you check the root cause of it, scamming most definitely are the root cause. Now, Mobays have some of the most destructive criminal elements Jamaica has ever seen. Jamaica have seen some pretty interesting criminals, but boy, when it comes on to modern day crime, criminality and criminal lifestyle, Mobays sits at the helm of that. And not because them have one or two where get big and out of control, like the Preke boy them and them man there. But more so because Mobays is probably the police division that, well, not even probably, is the police division that has the most active gangs, the most criminals, known and unknown, out of all 19 police divisions in Jamaica. The St. James Police Division is supposed to be one of the most difficult police division to police. Hence the reason why I think that the head of the Era 1 police, that's Glenford Miller, was sent to that particular police division because that particular officer have a proven track record for clean up the places where them send him. So I want to work with him. Yeah, man. Become informants for your own benefit. And remember, you not just do it for unu. You not do it for your children. You not do it for the betterment of your own community and peace of mind. So far, since him take over as head as Era 1 police, he might do some work we most definitely commend him for. And also as an acting assistant commissioner of police, I saw where him and him team engage criminal elements the other day. You rarely find a person with that type of rank really have hands-on in the day-to-day policing. Most of the time, the man they just sit down around a desk and give out the orders. But this brother here, Glenford Miller, out there in the streets with the rank and file squad of them and make sure say the streets I get clean up a certain type of way. And we love it. So now the rest is up to you, the regular members of Chan Public in a St. James. For work with the squad of them, and we know say Mobays have some of the most corrupted squad of them too. So me know who you can trust and who you know for trust. Because you live in the community with the criminal them and you see the police them will rap with them and we sell out and definitely a link with them on a certain type of level. So you know who are the police them you can trust and you know who you mustn't trust. So just deal with it and make we clean up the streets of St. James once and for all. Because nobody else can do it, And we, the regular members of Chan Public, and the police and soldiers alone can make that happen. Now, who remember the criminal element here where the security forces them clap him away like a mosquito for local government elections day? The boy what them call Jolo, aka O1 Banger. Yeah, man. I go show you a small video clipping of him funeral procession. I may show this for more reasons than one, just to show you how Chan Public support criminality. The very same thing where them say that them a fight against, The very same thing where them say them want to get reader. But as soon as them favorite criminal element drop out, you see the hairdressing parlor them full, barber shop full, makeup artists have clients upon clients because everybody want to look them best figure support them favorite criminal element. And this is how we have always been as Jamaicans. Look how much idle people there were. I'm pretty sure not all of them people here. I'm family. When we understand, say regardless of how bad a man is, I'm family, so I'm going to support him funeral. What me no understand, all of them people here wanna see a walk up and down and a support the criminal's funeral. Now this is just showing you how much persons support the destructive behavior of criminal elements in our society. And we need to step away from them type of thing here. We need when time them criminal are dead. When you're looking at a church, I just immediate family members alone there. And that I go start send a signal to them supporters say, yo, the people them not support the dirty criminal lifestyle anymore. We need to speak out against them type of dirty lifestyle here and stop support it. The very same thing when Nofa Uno say under this vlog here and other vlogs that I did before, Real Talk and the Spot News Media, a time for we get rid of crime and violence and all these type of things. How we are going to get rid of crime and violence when so much of uno support the dirty lifestyle? How we are going to get to a point where the artists them stop sing them dirty type of music there, but gun and who for head back for get slap out and informer for dead type of culture? How we are going to get out that unless the regular members of Chan Public stop support it? Because we say we not support a certain type of music, But when time we hand down a Guinness and a big head in a party, the very same song play and the whole of start bust a blank. But when we come here and speak about the very same music, we just take scene, Real Talk and the Spot News Media. And I write they say it start and stop. So we need to hold ourselves accountable for our actions. Mobays have some of the most destructive type of artists ever. Especially the one here. I do a vlog on this brother here already too. Probably 2 or 3. Who knows? Jamal, Dunce man. Now I see my par with one from Homestead in a Spanish town known as Quella. Let me tell you this, Homestead people. Don't make that boy here come in on a place, come add to the already existing destruction. Where they there? Because anyway, them boy a go, death and destruction follow. Yeah, man. But our favorite artists, who support them dirty music. Mobays have some of the worst artists them ever grace the stages in a Jamaica. We are talking about people like Squash, where uno never believe when time we talk about them dirty criminal lifestyle. Uno never believe, but now uno see it all played out in front of uno, so uno start believe. We talk about Jamal Dunce, man. We talk about Malie. We talk about Malie Sparta. What day I drop a vlog, I talk about Malie night, and he make lawyer write me. I make me know say him client is totally reformed, and I must cease and desist and refrain from making mention of his client involving in any form of criminal activity. When me read the message, man, me I tell her say, me have to just laugh. So me say lawyer, man, me know say you have to eat your food too and thing, and him come to you, pay a piece of money for you do it. So you do it. Me know deep down inside, enough of them lawyers the way I defend them criminals and them criminal artists, you know. Them not believe it. Them don't believe it. But just to eat a food sake, them just carry it out. Now, me I telling you my peeps, some of them artists here are some of the most destructive set of people them can ever find. And if the ones and ones them wish to look into themselves and speak the truth, uno will definitely feel better in our self about it. Now, the one with them call Jamal, Dunce, man. Him have a little second that me need to drop a vlog about. Him little second and him little second Krasmite girl. We are talking about Jade and Farin, man. So from a year, me mention Jade. I'm pretty sure you don't know exactly who me attack. Me attack about Janite. Yeah, man. Whole heap of things them are going with. Now, what day I drop a vlog too. And I spoke about this criminal element too, known as Sparta. And I made mention of him criminal friend known as Fudus. Well, this is Sparta, right so. And of course, Fudus, the panda picture here with him click. Fudus are the one wearing the Sparta cap. And them man here represent for Sparta. And can somebody please remind me who control the downtown Sparta faction of the Sparta gang? Which artists big up Sparta in every song where him sing? Now, when a man say him fully reform and is no longer in a them type of lifestyle there, you can't just say it. You have to live it. Now the brother they with them call Juba, especially to the family members of this female here presently on your screen known as Kerisha. We lose our life a few years ago. We get some can to our head. Me know you know who carry out that hit there for our family. But on the mouth lack because of fear. Me understand, say, you don't want to reach your family, reach you. But me asking you this. You feel good in yourself for know say your family member is no longer among the land of the living. And the criminal element will take our life. Still about to walk up and down past you know. And even call to you some of the time. How you feel within yourself when you see him every day, free like a bird in the tree. I walk up and down past you every day. Now the other day too, I did a vlog with this brother here known as Delhi. The same vlog when me do man where Ramos send a page to On The Spot News Media and make On The Spot News Media know say he never ever take a friend life or instigate a friend life. And the Nakis and Clappis them were associated with him. When Nakit and Clap it Pandeli, him basically a disassociate himself from fame own soldiers them. Because we all know say wet bread a fame soldier. And Jay and Tom a wet bread soldier. So that leave who in charge of everybody? No most Ramos. But anyway, we are talking about this Krasmite where them call Kessin. So she and Deli this on the picture. Of course, Deli you don't know a top criminal, so film face always mask up and cover up, but she and him this nonetheless. But just hope say the little girl them a watch them program more time, you know, and see the type of female that they are not supposed to become. Is another two fly this in the making. I just time if she not decide to take away herself from the criminal lifestyle. Because every man where she there with, you know, have to be a top Nakis and Clappis. As the song say, gunman in Sheol, she like that. So most definitely that she represent. We know our full story, you know. Pretty much everything like the man them when she breed for. I just be destructive elements she surround herself with. And persons in a Norwood too, you know. We don't need to remember, you know, like back in 2020, before Rygin King get caught up and put for sit down in a wheelchair, the type of person he was. And after him get caught up and feel what it feel like, forget can, the same thing them where him used to promote and be a part of. At that time, him kind of take things to a whole different level. I just, since what day me see like him accept the fact say him fake this now. Him a got in a wheelchair and him feel more comfortable with it. We hear him start sing back certain type of destructive song. But to you, Rygin King, you more than just about any other artist. With the exception of the one them will lose them life. You're still alive. So you understand and you feel what the destructiveness can bring to your life. Use your voice to elevate the youths them. Use your voice and influence for good instead of the constant destructive behavior. And the last thing that me I gotta say, in other vlog here, I want to look out for a vlog that I do that covers all the active gangs in Montego Bay. It's going to be a rather lengthy vlog, so it's going to take me some time to put all of that data together and present it to you. It's going to step on some can seriously and it's going to hurt up some head because some names and probably some faces. I'm pretty sure I won't be able to get all the pictures of all the names in all the gangs because it is so much. But some names where uno are going to see pop up as a part of these gangs. Uno are going to really wonder if uno really know some of them people here as much as uno think uno know them. So look out for it coming shortly in a theater near you. Yeah, man. So anyway, my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.